Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, we're seeing prices up a little bit, follow through from Friday's big rally, especially in beans after the USDA report. As far as the USDA report is concerned, they lowered the U.S. corn crop, soybean crop, corn and soybean carryouts as expected. They also raised world wheat production and stocks also as expected. It seemed like the momentum traders wanted to buy in to the market after the report, even though it was kind of a neutral report. And the FSA acres came out and kind of confirmed the USDA acres, planted acres. USDA did drop corn acres 500,000 because of the problems in Iowa. But overall, we're at $10 beans, $3.70 corn, and $5.45, $5.50 nearby Chicago wheat. And that seems a little bit overvalued considering that we're going into harvest. We still have COVID around and it could impact demand. But overnight, the Chinese ag futures were sharply higher, which some people think could be meaning that they need to buy grain from us, which is friendly, or they're concerned about the decline in U.S. and China relations, and they want to try to get this grain inbound for their reserves from the U.S. before maybe trade is stopped or tariffs are increased between U.S. and China. Stock market's also higher. A lot of people think that we're overvalued there, also going into the U.S. election. But again, more money is available from the central bank liquidity, and it's adding to the price of stock market. Dollar's a little bit lower, crude's kind of mixed, gold's a little bit higher. And I think in general, we're looking at some people feeling that commodity prices are undervalued if COVID is ever put behind us and demand goes back to something closer to normal. We'll be getting crop conditions report, weekly export inspections, kind of back to a normal schedule after last week's holiday. And the market will be watching to see just how much farmers sell. We're recommending that farmers increase 10% their grain that unsold in inventory, 10% of the crop that they are about ready to harvest, and 10% of the 21 crops at these price levels. I think after the trade war and after the COVID, I don't think anybody expected beans would be at $10 or these corn at $3.70. So we'll see what the funds want to do with their near record long position in the beans. They're long every other grain, soybean meal, soybean oil, corn, and wheat going into harvest. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and please remember, changing tomorrow starts today.